Cheetah. Wild animal. The cheetah is a large cat of the subfamily Felinae that occurs in North, Southern and East Africa, and a few localities in Iran. It inhabits a variety of mostly arid habitats like dry forests, scrub forests, and savannas. Speed, 93 km per hour, maximum, in short bursts, running. Scientific name, Acinonyx jubatus. Mass, 21 to 72 kg, adult. Conservation status, vulnerable, population decreasing, Encyclopedia of Life. Family, Felidae. Class, Mammalia. Height, 70 to 90 cm, adult, at shoulder. Cheetah, Acinonyx jubatus, one of the world's most recognizable cats, known especially for its speed. Cheetah's sprints have been measured at a maximum of 114 kilometers, 71 miles per hour, and they routinely reach velocities of 80 to 100 km per hour while pursuing prey. Nearly all the cheetahs remaining in the wild live in Africa. Cheetahs are covered almost entirely with small black spots on a background of pale yellow and have a white underbelly. The faces are distinguished by prominent black lines that curve from the inner corner of each eye to the outer corners of the mouth, like a well-worn trail of inky tears. Cheetahs have a long, slender body measuring 1.2 meters, 4 feet, with a long tail, 65 to 85 cm, 2 to 3 feet, that generally ends in a white tuft. They are about 75 centimeters tall at the shoulder. Weight ranges from 34 to 54 kilograms, 75 to 119 pounds, males being slightly larger than females. Cheetahs have evolved many adaptations that enhance their ability to sprint. Their legs are proportionally longer than those of other big cats, an elongated spine increases stride length at high speeds. They have unretractable claws, special paw pads for extra traction, and a long tail for balance. Internally, the liver, adrenal glands, lungs, bronchi, nasal passages, and heart are all large to allow intense physiological activity. During a chase, cheetahs take about 31½ strides per second and 60 to 150 breaths per minute. Chases are usually limited to sprints of less than 200 to 300 meters, however, because the increased physiological activity associated with running creates heat faster than it can be released through evaporative cooling, sweating through the pores and panting. Unlike most carnivores, cheetahs are active mainly during the day, hunting in the early morning and late afternoon. A cheetah eats a variety of small animals, including game birds, rabbits, small antelopes, including the springbok, impala, and gazelle, young warthogs, and larger antelopes, such as the kudu, hartebeest, oryx, and roan. Prey is generally consumed quickly to avoid losing it to competitors such as lions, leopards, jackals, and hyenas. Biology of cheetah. Etymology. The vernacular name, cheetah, is derived from Hindustani, which today is split into Hindi, sita, and Urdu, chaita, which in turn comes from meaning variegated, adorned or painted. The generic name Acinonyx probably derives from the combination of two Greek words, hakinetos akinitos, meaning unmoved or motionless, and onyx, meaning nail or hoof. A rough translation would be, a mobile nails, a reference to the cheetah's limited ability to retract its claws. A similar meaning can be obtained by the combination of the Greek prefix a, implying lack of, and kineo, meaning to move or set in motion. The word jubatus is Latin for crested, in reference to the long hair on the nape. A few old generic names such as Cunilurus and Cynofelis allude to the similarities between the cheetah and canids. Subspecies. In 1975, Ray H. N. Smithers, of the Ditsong National Museum of Natural History, identified 5 valid cheetah subspecies, A.J. Hecke.